number 40682. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am. I am Flosher D. Soria. I am 43 years old, single parent. I have one child. He is boy and he is 9 years old. I have one brother in the family and I am a second child in the family. I am 2 years graduate. I took up office management with computer at STI Antipolo year 1999.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong because of a high salary to support my family here in the Philippines.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I worked in Middle East for 6 years and 5 months with 2 different countries.
Do you have experience in taking old person?
I taking elderly I give food, take a bath, changing clothes and diaper, and give them vitamins.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, I will give bath. I also preparing food, feed them, play with them, changing diaper and clothes.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I love cooking and baking cakes and breads.
Can you cook?
Yes, I cook simple dishes of Chinese food like chop suey, steamed fish and vegetable. I also know how to cook Arabic food like kabsa, biryani. And also I know how to cook Filipino like adobo, menudo, and caldereta. And also a simple dishes from Italy like spaghetti, carbonara, and pizza.
Describe yourself as an housemaid. What are characteristics that your employer will like you?
My employers like me because I am responsible, hardworking, and honest.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I will apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Sir Ma, to my future employer, if you will choose me as your domestic helper, I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I also follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless. Thank you.